I'm Danielle Cook, and I want to welcome you to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. The Cook Sisters will be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its regular on-site programming. Today's recipe is a Mediterranean-style sweet bell pepper salad. But first, we're going to pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne, and she's going to show us how to do fall planting for peas. Let's get started.
Peas can be planted in the summer for a fall harvest, and that's what we're going to do today. Peas are vines. They like support. You can get inexpensive pea netting from your garden center or build sturdier ones like these from scrap lumber. In your prepared bed, make a trench about 2 inches deep along the length of your trellis. When sowing seeds, use your hand to sow rather than the packet. You'll have more control. Sow seeds fairly close together. Vines don't mind being crowded. Cover the seeds and tamp down the ground. You want good contact with the soil. A light mulch will retain the soil moisture and block weeds. You'll harvest your first peas in about 8 weeks, and they'll continue to produce right up through October. And they're up. These peas were planted just 5 days ago.
There are so many wonderful peppers to enjoy this time of year. These are actually sweet, even though they are a different shape than your regular red bell pepper. And while this salad is for sweet bell peppers, don't hesitate to mix it up a bit. We've got some banana peppers that we're going to use today, and even a poblano that sometimes has just a bit of a kick. You can roast your peppers on an outdoor grill or under the broiler. It's really easy. Just slit the peppers in half, lay them face down on a cookie sheet, and get them under the broiler until they're nicely charred. You want your peppers to be very dark brown, nicely charred. That will give them the best flavor. Now I'm going to transfer the peppers into a plastic bag. Why? Because it'll make it easy to remove their skins. Tie up the bag and let it sit for about 15 minutes to steam. I like to work in the kitchen sink to remove the skins. Under running water, simply remove the charred part from the flesh. As you can see, steaming them in the bag makes easy work of getting rid of the skins. Blot the peppers dry with either a towel or paper towel before you begin slicing. Now slice the peppers into 1-inch strips and transfer them to a bowl. The dressing consists of 1 clove of garlic, a tablespoon of capers, a 1/4 cup of olives, pitted and quartered, a teaspoon of red wine vinegar, and some lemon zest, followed by a 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil. Mix well and let it marinate while you chop your fresh herbs. Today I'm using basil and oregano from my garden. You can use both or just one of them. Add the fresh herbs just before serving. And these peppers can be stored in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to a week. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next week to talk about melons and fall planting.